You know, in this life, it's good to do anything that you are doing with your clean heart, with a good mind. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes, I have to bring you to this place so that you know the genuinity of what we are buying. When you look at this place, sorry that we are coming at the odd time, because had it been that we came at the right time, you will see boat everywhere. Do you understand? That's why they call me Obranga Yefa. The meaning of Obranga Yefa means God's time is God's time is the best God's time. Understand? That's Obranga Yefa. So what I'm trying to say is that this is the only one available. Even those boys over there, they are my boys. I pay them salary. I do pay them for 8,000 every month. That's every 30th. You understand? So even the boats that they are using now is my own. Even this one now, you can see how that guy is waving at me. Yes. He's waving at me because he's owing me. So this is the only last one that is available. If you give me money, I don't do receipts. I give it to you. Understand? You go and enjoy. You go and yes, I know her. She's one of these.
Did I just hear you say that those boys are your boys?
Yes, they are my boys.
Wait. Did I also hear you say that boat is for you?
Are you looking for any boat? Are you searching for any missing boat?
Mr. Brangayefa, you will not change. No, you will not change. Oga, this man is the poorest man in this village. Shishi does not have. See that boat? It's someone else's boat. If you mistakenly buy that boat from him, police will pursue you. I've told you.
What is this woman trying to
Everybody come and say, Mr. Brangayefa wants to sell boat.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Mr. Man,
Sir?
you are not confused.
This is how daughters of Jezebel goes around.
She has said it all.
She has said it all. Do you know her? Have you met her before? You see how daughters of Jezebel goes around messing people's destiny up. What on earth brought this girl at this point in time that I'm supposed to cash out now? What brought her? Where is her?
Obrangayefa.
Sir?
I hear you say we be your boys.
Sir, you say?
We be your boys, and this boat, now your boat, say you they pay us salary every 30th, Abi?
No, sir. The 30th, I mean, is one of the mathematics that we are learning as algebra. That's what I was.
Obrangayefa, wait. Come. They do that thing and they come. Give me that paddle. They do that thing and they come.
We never reach like this. Wait, do you know sometimes all this?
I said wait there.
You know, in this life,
you the run, Abi? Thief, Obrangayefa. I know what to do with you.
I'm annoyed. Tida! Oh, you stole me. You they shot Mr. Obrangayefa. Say that me, you catch you now.
So guys, good morning. How are you all doing today? Today, we will be talking about life. Life can be anything and everything. And it's all about what we make out of it. For example, they say, if life gives you lemon, make lemonade. But life will not actually give you lemon. Let's not get it wrong. It gives you opportunities and chances. But you may be wondering, what if life does not give me chances or opportunities? What if I don't have same faith as my friends or the next person? Then you have to take it. Well, I'm not saying you should take it violently. But if life does not give you chances or opportunities, be alert to avenues into turning your skills and talent into opportunities. To buttress my point, I'm so glad to announce to you guys that I'm in talk with one major partner and we'll be finalizing our deal. So stay tuned, guys. I love you all. Hi, good morning. How are you doing today? Madam.
Mene.
Yes, ma'am. Morning.
Where the hell did you go to yesterday? And what time did you leave the office?
Ma'am, I left 1 hour 45 minutes past the official closing time, ma'am.
Really? I remember asking you to wait behind because I had something important I wanted us to talk about.
Ma'am, that's why I waited 6:45 p.m. and that makes me 15 minutes late for my dance rehearsal.
Ooh, you dance rehearsals? So you mean you left my office without my consent because of some dance rehearsals? I mean, how many times have I warned you to stop this your dancing thing?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry.
You have yourself to be sorry for. Listen, I am tired. I am tired of your flimsy excuses. I'm tired of your million and one. Sorry, ma. If it's not dancing today, it's acting tomorrow. Or your modeling stuff.
Ma'am, those are my talents, ma'am. Please, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, ma'am. It's not happening again.
Really?
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure it's your talent. But you know what? You can't be doing this here. You were employed for something, so maybe you are fired.
Ma'am!
Oh! You heard me. You are fired!
Ma'am, I actually waited like 1 hour 45 minutes before.
Security! Are you still here? I'm still here.
No, ma'am.
Security's gonna take this man out of this place. Why are you looking at me? Go back to work! Fools.
Matilda. Are you not hearing me?
Is everything okay?
I called you news. I called Mama Matilda. None of them. You didn't even answer even one. What's your problem?
Are you okay?
I'm not fine.
And you're here, you're not in the hospital? What is the problem?
Your daughter Matilda is the problem. Your daughter, yes, your daughter. She ran into me on the way and knocked me off. I fell. Your daughter didn't even stop to pick me up or to even say sorry.
You mean Matilda drove a car and hit you?
I mean your daughter ran into me as a vehicle running on the street. We collided as in an accident.
That means she must have been in a hurry.
Hurry to where? To the village to cause more havoc.
Sorry. I'll talk to her when she...
Don't sorry me. You better talk to her.
Will.
I don't like this thing she's doing. She's just going about causing havoc in the village. I don't like it. Talk to your daughter.
I will. So sorry. At least you're okay. You're okay.
What if I had broken my leg or my waist at this my old age? Sorry will not be enough. Oh. It shouldn't have been enough. Please, you better talk to her. I don't want this. What kind of thing is this? A girl making problem in the village as if she's a man. For what?
Why is she this trouble? Please be careful so that you don't wound yourself there.
If that is your plan, it will not come to pass. Problem.
Why is she this troublesome? I don't know if Matilda is the problem or you.
I couldn't even believe it.
Oh my God. How did that happen? So if you have closed the time you were supposed to close, what will he be expecting you to do in the office when you have other things to do?
Well, let's just forget about that. I was mostly doing it to form the rings for my talent. But now that he's back to me, I think I'll just put all my energy in developing my talent.
Okay. Alright.
I'm also going to ask you for money. Besides, I still have some savings. And there's this talent contest I submitted one of my videos. I'm hoping to make money from there when I win. And there's this partnership I told you I'm running with Insight Foundation.
You know I love you so much, right? And I am very proud of you. Okay? So don't be sad. I hope to see you soon. Yeah, I can't wait to have my one and only brother in the villa.
I love you too, sis. Bye.
Yes, there's food.
Eh? Mama, there's nothing in the pot. Like, you told me there was food.
See the other pot in the kitchen there.
I checked everywhere. There's no food.
Check out the pot.
Yes.
There's no food.
So what will I eat now? Because I'm very hungry.
You're hungry.
Oh, man, this is not fair. This is not fair. It's not fair.
But I call and manage this pineapple you are seeing here. Come and take pineapple so you lose weight.
Brother Mene, or what's his name?
Sure, he's the one.
So why is he working like this?
Maybe he has something in his pint.
What's that? For Pete's God.
Mama! Oh my God. Mama, it's me now, your son. Mene. Goodness. Yes, now, Mama.
Why are you behaving like a woman?
Mom, that's my sexual identity.
What sexual identity?
It's my sexual identity.
Sexual what?
Identity, like sexual identity.
Why are you behaving like a woman?
Mama, I'm not a woman. This is who I am now.
So you are now a woman, that's what it means.
No, Mama, I'm not a woman. This is my sexual identity.
Then don't tell me that you're confused now.
No, Mama, now. I'm not confused. Look, I had a very hectic journey. Actually, I got you something. But when I'm done eating, I want to go inside, freshen up, eat, relax my head. Perhaps after dinner, I'll give you what I got for you. Excuse me.
See your own. It's just a I said I didn't fry.
You understand English, right? I'm going to be leaving that like 5. Sorry, make it 10, yeah. And you have to be fast. I can't stand this. Like the smoke. I really can't stand it. Malam, you really have to be fast. Malam, you have to be fast now. I can't stand this.
Okay. I thought this I bring my change this side, I beg. God, don't fuck up here. Give me change. I don't want to make this guess.
Are you sure he's not going to bite me here?
This man's guess.
You have to be fast. I need to get out of here.
Keep the change.
You ought to have seen the way they treated me in the market today.
How would they do that? Why will anyone treat you that way, Mene?
I don't blame them.
You don't blame them. This is 21st century. And people should be allowed to flex or exhibit their sexuality either way they wish.
I think everything boils down to the culture of our community.
Please spare me with the cultural nonsense. I mean, it's not even an excuse for anyone to treat you that way. In as much as I'm in this village, nobody will treat my younger brother anyhow and go scot-free. I will break somebody's head.
Don't worry. I have a plan.
What plan?
I have a plan to kill them with kindness.
I have a plan to kill them with kindness. How do you intend to kill them with kindness, man? How?
I've always told you how I intend to use my skills as a dancer, a model, and an actor to benefit people, right? This is the time. I've been in talk with Inside Foundation about Squill's accusation, and I finally come to the village to finalize the fine dealings.
Banga. And just like that, you will kill them with kindness.
Just like that. Just like that.
Well done, sir.
Thank you, ma. And do you remember to do what's the call of them? If I forgot this thing.
Hey, man, what's the other nonsense? Oh yeah, go and pick it up.
It has not even been up to a week I got to this village. You're already bossing me around.
Man, I am not bossing you around. But you need to pick up that trash you threw on the ground.
But I'll see the first thing tomorrow morning.
It still doesn't matter. Is that the reason why you would throw it on the ground? Or don't you know that wind can blow this trash into the village and litter the environment? Look, an improper waste management will not only pollute the environment, it will also affect our economy because it will make the government to spend more money on cleaning up the environment. And this is one single reason why we need to learn how to dispose waste properly. Please, Mene, go and pick up the trash.
Okay, ma. I almost forgot how passionate you are about cleaning the environment. I'm sorry I littered the floor. I'll go pick it up the right way.
Stand up already. Go! Not learn how to clean the environment. Good job.
Okay. Morning, sis. Oh my God. Morning.
Turn around, let me see. Okay. That's my bro.
Exactly.
You're already dressed up for Inside Foundations, right?
Exactly.
Oh,
I wouldn't want to miss that for nothing. Okay, I
so
gotta go now. I gotta go. I'm running out of time, I'll see you when I come back, right?
Success.
Thank you very much.
Bye. Love you too, bro.
Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
I'm here to see the MD. I have an appointment. Is he in?
Yes, he's in, but hold on. Are you sure you're at the right office?
Yes, Inside Foundation. I'm here to see Mr. Ogogo.
Any problem?
Not at all. Can I go now?
Hold on. Do you have any appointment with him?
Yes, I said that earlier. I have an appointment with him. We scheduled for today.
Are you sure?
Of course. You can call him.
Hold on now.
Go on. Oh my God. The stress.
Hello, sir. Someone is here to see you.
Mene? Exactly.
Mene Master?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Mene
yes,
Samson.
yes. Okay, sir.
Can I go in now?
Yes, I'm going.
Hello, sir.
Who did you say you were?
I'm Mene. We've been talking over the phone and email about the partnership, and we scheduled a meeting for today.
Have a seat.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Mene, whatever you call yourself, I think there's a problem.
Oh, yeah, sure. The AC is not blowing well. I'm hurt. I mean, look at you. You're sweating.
The point I'm trying to make is, I'm not sure we can work together.
Well, we don't have to work together physically. As long as we have our deal, we can always work out details of our partnership.
Okay, maybe you don't understand.
Okay.
When you spell it out in plain English.
Alright.
Inside Foundation cannot do business with you.
But sir, we have been talking. I sent my proposal and you sent me a mail that you liked it.
Well, that was before this meeting. And now I am telling you, I can't do business with you. I can't work with you. I'm sorry.
But I don't even know how to process this. Can't we talk about this?
Babe, you made that boy girl in there.
I'm telling you.
I wonder how MD would react.
Uncle must be very, very confused right now.
As like, imagine him trying to talk to a man that behaves like a woman. Like,
it's not just that. Just imagine him talking to the MD like, hi, MD. I'm here for
Thank you.
What was that?
oh, my sister.
Wow. This is good. I must go for this. I must go for this. This is good.
Yes. Tilda. Is he alive? you see how your life is. By the time they tell you to mind your business, you said no, you will not mind your business.
Leave me alone, oh, Mr. Obra. Leave me, oh.
Leave you alone is understatement. You see this whole area. No one to save you. I owe you all alone.
Leave me, oh. Leave me, oh.
Leave you? Let me see how you pass.
Leave me.
Cross now. Come. No. Come, cross. Cross.
Leave me, oh. Leave me, we're not here, oh. Try me again in this village, I'll show you people.
It is on a normal day, if he beat me, like because I know chop. If you say I chop, if you do anything, if you say, let's say I suspect a person push me because on a normal day, this guy no fit do. Person push. You see, as I know say people just there against me. Person push me. Or Brangayefa. Person push me. Why they look me? Person carry me, come put where he dey, you know fit shift. I no get strength again, ma kukuma rest. If people see me like this, I won't tell them say I get accident. Accident will carry sand for me. I go there, I may rain fall though. May rain fall. Person wey woman beats.
Hey, Mama.
Matilda, this is your life. This is how you want to live your life, causing trouble everywhere in this village, Matilda. What is your problem?
I'm not causing any trouble anywhere now.
I just have to keep quiet. You think I'm a child? Or you think you're still a little girl? Okay. If you don't want to talk to yourself, at least do me a favor by talking to your brother. Because you have a way of tolerating his behavior. Try and talk to him. Please.
Mama, but there's nothing wrong with his behavior. I mean, he's just a normal guy.
Matilda, did you say nothing wrong?
Yes, Mama.
But that's start going. There's nothing wrong.
Mama,
No, say. What's wrong with these children? There's nothing wrong with behavior. What nonsense?
Hi guys, how are you all doing today? It's your favorite boy, Mene. Well, I'm sorry to announce to you guys that the big announcement wouldn't be coming anytime soon because the plans with the foundation did not go through. But I'm not going to let you, my fans and followers, down. I'll keep pushing till this initiative works out. I love you guys. Since you're here,
are you still killing them with kindness?
I don't even know anymore. It's not funny, sis.
Sorry, don't be angry. I didn't even know when the laugh came safe. Don't vex me.
Troublemaker. Well, I felt there would be more understanding and accept me for who I am. Then accept what I have to offer.
Okay, listen. Use me, Tilda, your sister, as an example. In this village, I don't look for trouble at all. But people still mistake me. They see me as a troublemaker. Any which way, like if I pass here now, they will say I'm a troublemaker. But I'm not a troublemaker.
Maybe a little at times.
What does that mean?
Nothing. What you say?
Well, what?
Soaking, please, so my skin, please, very fragile. I don't joke with this skin.
Dog foul skin. See, bound on a serious note. The truth is, I have a good heart, a good intention for these villagers. I don't know where trouble just used to come from. To just come and look for me. I don't used to look for trouble.
Listen to me. Everything will fall in place, okay? Everything will fall. Now, what are you doing with Mama's food?
Every time Mama will tell me I cannot cook, let me cook something for her now. Even if it's potty, she will chop it like that.
No.
I want the best for you. Listen and listen good. I will never mislead you.
Father, I don't like this. Father, this is unfair. I don't like this. What is all this? Why are you doing this to me?
Now, what's unfair? So, you like this dancing of a teen more than anything else?
Dad, what are you talking about?
Ordinary dancing.
I showed you the flyer. Dad. So you didn't read it? 10 million naira. Yes, Father.
My daughter, do you know what I will do for you? You will go to my friend, the MD of Insight Foundation. Oh, he will give you quality training. That is exactly what I'm planning for you.
Dad, are you serious? I'm so happy.
The prize is 10 million naira? And a scholarship?
Yes. If I win.
You win.
So, will you help me? Can you teach me how to dance?
Of course.
We don't teach.
4 competitions.
4 competitions.
Yes. 4 competitions. You see, what it's trying to say, what it meant was that ordinarily we don't teach people dance for competition. Okay? But because it is you, we are going to make an exception. Because you are special.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. So, meet the receptionist. She'll provide you with the details. We'll keep in touch.
Thank you, sir. I am grateful, sir. Thank you.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
How do you agree to so much? Do you know we don't teach dance here? Well, we do now. That's a bad idea. The last time I checked, I am the boss here. And I'm telling you right now, that we do teach dance. Listen to me. It's as easy as ABC. All we have to do is to download 1 or 2 musical dance videos, okay? And then we use it to teach her how to dance.
So, boss, I have an important question.
Go ahead.
Who will teach them to dance?
I guess I'm looking at it right now.
Me? They don't even know how to dance. How would I possibly teach them?
Oh, in fact, I have a plan.
Hey.
Register here for your dance lessons. With this package, you have made it.
I still can't believe we are going to teach dance lessons to the villagers.
Really? Yes. Then think about the money we are going to make. Have you thought about it? Eh? See, by the time these intended contestants get to know about the first prize, they would want to participate. It means they will have to what? To learn. They have to register with us. That is where the money will come from.
I can see that written on the cardboard.
That reminds me. I hope you have downloaded those music videos.
Yes, I have.
I hope you have been practicing too.
Yes, I've been practicing.
You are a very serious-minded individual. Okay, see, dance for me. Let me see.
What?
Give me the moves now. You really want to be teaching them now, so you need to let me see some dance steps.
Now.
Go ahead.
Now.
Yes. What is wrong with you? But is that what you want to teach them? Eh? Didn't you dance during your secondary school days?
I told you before, I don't know how to
dance. At least, okay, look, if you don't shift from me, Jerry, let me show you something. See, in those days when we used to dance, it was a creep walk, yes. Are you saying that? It's been long I dancing, but I still have the moves. The magic steps. Yeah, do something for me, let me see. Do something. You can... Oh yeah, do it, let me see. I'm being motivated. You are motivating me already. Come on, let's do it. High spirit. High spirit, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You don't know me for this village. You don't see my business. Come here.
Are you mad? Eh? You ain't mad.
What's come to your own now?
What's this slap now? You run! Run!
What come your own now, eh? Give me, you don't go give me. Maybe give me go you don't know me. I go change that for you. I go change that for you. You dey crazy. Come on. Leave me. Go.
Come here.
Leave me alone. I go. I don't want to beat you. I don't want to beat you. This girl don't fuck me up. Say get mine now. Come on, enter. Come here, you dey crazy. Come now, come here with that.
Please, I know they talk too much.
No,
action.
No, come now.
Action.
No. Don't come here.
Because if all you want has don't die.
Now what are we doing?
I go carry to give shot to swallow you all. No, come closer. Come closer, let them run. Come.
AKA, let's talk money. Ramsey. Like entertainment. Ooh, baby. Show me love as I show you a Malisha Biko. Your love is the high me, your love is the sweeter. My love is confirmed and my love is legito. Love me as I love you, a Malisha Biko. So we gon' fly away. Baby. So we gon' fly away.
You see this Martin's bread? It's the best-selling bread in River State. You are in the right place, my dear. Try it today and thank me later. Now. You want to finish this speech? Just wait. Sell now. You want to eat everything. No, I missed you. No, I don't take it.
This is your head.
Please, don't even try that one.
Why are you doing this? Why do you keep fighting everywhere? Why? So you two have decided to shame me in this village?
Mama, nobody shame me. We're just...
You're just what? All I ask is peace of mind. Is that too much for a mother to ask? Why are you two doing this? Why?
Mama, at least allow us to talk or explain ourselves.
Explain what? What is there to explain? You have made yourself a laughing stock in this village and not me. An amazing son I gave birth to, son, a woman. You are a disgrace. You are a pure disgrace to this family.
Mene.
Look at.
Mene.
Look at this he,
Mama,
she.
now.
I don't know if I will call you a he or she.
Mene, I'm talking to you. See, I know you're angry because of what Mama said.
Oh, yeah.
I need you to understand that he did not mean it.
She just called me a disappointment, sis. A disappointment.
Come on, he just said that out of anger. Don't let it get to you. See, it doesn't mean anything. I can assure you.
Darling, sis, I just want to get out. I need to clear my head. I just need to, get...
Stay one place, Joe. Get out to where? It's almost late.
I don't care. I don't know. I just want to get out of this place. I don't know. I just have to get out.
Mene. Please relax. Okay? Be fine. I love you. Stop now.
Baby, Farabale. Kobale kana. Farabale. Kobale kana. 365, I'm the talk of the town.
365, I'm the talk of the town.
Them girls then they shake when they hearing my sound.
Yes, then they shake when they hearing my sound.
You say you be king, but I'm wearing the crown. I'm running the town, you they running your mouth. Oluwa mi lo se o, won fun mi lowo pe. Eleda mi lo se yi, mo jaye mi foreign. E mama binu mi o. Baba mi to da bi o. Farabale. Kobale kana. Farabale. Kobale kana.
Yeah. Free of charge, mon chaye mon pay for the cover. Drop Saraka, kola majara la cover. Lagos boy, mon chaye mi lo gently. Military IT, lo bamba, we Bentley. Other Uber found some money in the lap. Thank God it's Friday, can find man in good.
Yeah, how may I help you? You are so shapely. Oh, thank you very much. I've heard that 1,000 times. Thank you.
I wish I can dance like you.
Well, I'll be holding a dance class in my house next week.
Are you
You can come if you don't mind.
I'm free to register.
Baby, give me your love, your love. Let me bring it back to my rhythm and baby. My girl, I no go gamble you, gamble you. Sure you know say I no go shungu you, baby, shungu you. Girl, I realize that your blessing follow me go, follow me go, You're my sugar banana, Maria's go to follow you, Worry me go to carry you. Sure you know say I go to go do you, baby. If she follow me go, that one day, for sure she go there. If she follow me go, that one day, for sure she go there. Oh my licha me seke for me bien so. Oh my guys pass a no way, na sim ganiro. Oh my love na mini wanna oh Some guests pass a no way, seke oh seke oh Baby boogie down for me, let's go there. Boogie down for me, let's bubble. Boogie down for me, let's celebrate. I will tell them you're the blessing. Boogie down for me, let's go there. Boogie down for me, let's bubble. Boogie down for me, let's celebrate. I will tell them you're the blessing. Girl, I realize that your blessing follow me go. You're my sugar banana. My prayers go to follow you. Worry me
come on, get out of my garden. Keep your greeting to yourself. So what do I owe this August visit?
Ma, we heard that your brother is a good dancer.
He is.
I would like to learn some dance steps for the dance competition.
Shift like this. Let me see you. Do some steps. Let me see if you can be considered. Stop that cockroach dance. This is the kind of nonsense that you want to use to join my brother's class. Anyways, you came to learn, so it's fine. But you have to register with some money.
Pay?
Payment. Wait. I want to understand something. So you mean after you guys have finished making jest of my brother, my one and only talented brother in this village, just because he has something to offer that none of you in this village has, now you can't say, I want to learn how to dance, and you think it's free? If you don't have money for the registration, get out. Get out of my compound. Hey, that way.
You've started. Happy?
What?
Can I have a word with you for a moment?
No, now, Joe.
I'm not into that.
Go and eat food, Joe. I don't know.
Farabale, Kobale Kana. Farabale, Kobale Kana. Farabale, Kobale Kana. Farabale, Kobale Kana. Kobale Kana. Farabale, Kobale Kana. 365, I'm the talk of the town.
365, I'm the talk of the town.
Them girls then they shake when they hearing my sound.
Yes, then they shake when they hearing my sound.
You say you be king, but I'm wearing the crown. I'm running the town, you they running your mouth. Olúwa mi ló ṣe wọ́n fún mi lówó pé ẹlẹ́dàá mi ló ṣe yìí mo jàyè ní fọ́rẹ̀ ẹ má má bínú mi o ẹ má má bínú mi o Olúwa ní ṣọlá bàbá mi tó dàbí o farabalẹ̀ kó bá lè kaná. Farabalẹ̀ kó bá lè kaná.
Free of charge, mo ṣayé mo pẹ́ fún ẹ̀ kóbá. Lọ́sàdákà kọ́lá májàrá la kóbá. Lagos boy mo ń jayé mi lọ gently. Military IT lọ bá ń bá wí Bentley. Ọ̀dà Uber fáwọn sinna máa ní Unila. Thank God it's Friday kí fáwọn máa ní goodie bag. Síkírátù sínú dóṣó pẹ̀lú ṣàléwá. Bremsi máa ń gbé fine kẹ́ mo fẹ́ kéré.
Wọ́n Síkírátù bí bàbá mi tì í. Farabalẹ̀ kó bá lè kaná.
Hey, babe, what's up? Come here. Wait till you
Everyone, please gather here. Please, if you know you are here for the dance lessons, come here, please. Yes, come. Beautiful and handsome looking youth. Anyway, let me first of all thank you for your patience. I also want to let you know that the dance instructor will soon be here. I just spoke with him on the phone. Before I say Jack Robinson will be here, okay? I think that's something you should be happy about.
We are happy.
Good.
But while we're waiting for him, I will suggest that we busy ourselves with some stretches. You understand? Yes, sir. Because these professional dancers, you see, if you ask them how they keep fit, they will tell you that they exercise every morning before they dance professionally. So we are going to follow suit. We are going to follow what? We are going to follow what? Suit. You're not speaking as if you're happy. We are going to follow suit. So let's go, eh? Sideways, put your hands side. Just like that. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 1. This will fix the ribs. 1, 2. Yeah, continue dancing, okay? I'll just be here. Sorry. Just the stretch. Keep stretching. Hi. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Good. Just hold on a second, okay? Yeah. Miss Richard, nice to see you here.
Well, Miss Richard here has something to say.
Oh, really? Sorry. Don't mind me. She wants to give a good report of the dance lessons so far, I presume.
Actually, no, sir.
Pardon?
I'm here to cancel my subscription.
Did you just hear that? Why?
That's the same question I was asking her. Also, I was trying to explain to her there's no need to cancel her subscription, but she was insisting and I have to bring her to meet you.
Why do you want to cancel your subscription?
Sir, I want to work with Mene.
Who?
I think she's talking about,
What are you doing?
She's talking about the guy that's acting like a woman.
So why didn't you just say it? Must you joke with everything? Eh? And by the way, I'm sure you are mistaken. Because I know this responsible girl standing before me cannot even think of that kind of thing. Yes. Tell me you are talking about someone else and not that mene of boy, girl, I don't know.
Sir, I'm talking about the same person.
Can you imagine? Don't you see the way he behaves? Eh? What kind of a man will behave like a woman? Dancing off key, jumping like a frog in hot water, and you say you wanted to teach you how to dance. Disgrace. I'm shocked. Hold on a second. Do you know you're even more than him in terms of dancing? You have gone far. You don't know your worth. But thank God that I'm here to show you and let you know that you have passed him. Let me use the medical field to explain it to you. Okay? See, as it is right now, you are like a medical doctor wanting to fall down to the level of a nurse where Mene is. Instead of you to be thinking of how to become a consultant. That is where we come in. We are trying to uplift you to becoming a consultant. But you said no. That you want to fall back to being a nurse. Now you understand the explanation. That Mene has nothing to offer. Absolutely. He doesn't know how to dance. There was a day I saw him dancing on stage. Do you know what happened? Before he danced for 2 minutes, they stoned him. See insults. You know why? It's not their fault. He was dancing off key, jumping like a frog in hot water. Is that the kind of person you want to change your destiny? See, anything you speak out from your mouth is what will happen to you. If you call a novice that is a professional, he will teach you rubbish. So stick here. This is the right place. This is what? Don't say the right place. The right place, right?
Sir, you might be wrong. You are wrong. I know now. I know he's a good person. He's good. I know he has a page on YouTube. You can go ahead and check. Wow, let me check him out.
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
Let me check him out.
Check him out with what? With data. Look at this responsible girl. Oh, I think she's responsible. So you want to waste your data to check out a novice? I can see you have so much money. So why did you come for the competition? If you have money to buy this and waste on a novice, you want to check if he knows how to dance. This boy that does not know anything dances like a chicken. You say, let me check. What kind of dance is this? Can you imagine? See how this stupid boy is jumping like a frog inside hot water. Is this the kind of dance instructor you want to have? See how the guy is even dancing off key. You want to learn all this kind of person? Take it, put on your data, don't waste it. This one does not know anything about dancing. I beg. Listen to me, I'm telling you now. Not tomorrow you come and be crying to me that you're doing with the price. Now that God has directed you to me, let me teach you. Don't do this to yourself. You are more than this. See, when you speak it out who you are, that is what you become. Say you are more than this.
As we enter, we know they can't who them be. Cause all the men for our side, now men they way sabi. Then no fit start if we never come, we shut down the party. And if we enter the center, above the whole your baby. Say, Magana hit you a BJ go, hey. We no get money, no go, you no follow. Tell them say we no come here to look face, but we don't like wahala, we don't like police case, we don't like police case. Tell them say now we all ground for this place, Ogbeni tell them, and if them press our pots in, now them go secret, now them go secret. We are tell them, let me tell them, oh, we are tell them, let me tell them, make we tell them, say we dey hustle every day by day.
What is going on? No, tell me, what is in my company? So you did something productive. Bring all the money, let me check. You mean all this money is for dancing? I'm asking you. I'm coming. So what is money for dancing? So why are you calling me? That means money is really dry. Let me go. So he's productive now.
Yes.
Let's go. Behave yourself like my daughter.
Make you no con dey dagbana. Make you no con dey do one thing. Make you no go see banana. Con dey look am like say na plantain. Make you no con dey dagbana. Make you no con dey do one thing. Make you no go see banana. Con dey look am like say na plantain. And if them still dey ask, make we tell them oh, Ogbeni father. Mama dollar, Ogbeni father. Ogbeni ma, Ogbeni father. Tell them say we no come here to look face, nah. But we don't like wahala, we don't like police case, we don't like police case. Tell them say now we all ground for this place, Ogbeni tell them. And if them press our pots in, now them go secret, now them go secret. We are tell them, let me tell them, oh, we are tell them, let me tell them, oh.
morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Oh.
Welcome.
That reminds me.
Sir.
What's the update on the dance lessons?
Oh, 3 people came yesterday and just 2 persons came today.
2 persons?
Yes, sir.
What is happening? I thought Lambert was doing a good job teaching them how to dance.
Sir, have you seen his dance lessons? Oh, I mean,
What do you mean?
sir, I think they've been meeting up with that girl boy, Mene.
You see, that's Mene guy. That guy is gaining prominence. So we have to do something about him.
You mean the...
You look like him already. God forbid anything. You look like him.
So what do you want us to do about this guy?
You see, on a serious note, I have met with some of my blogger friends.
Okay.
Yes, and I discussed something with them that would benefit us.
You want them to feature the foundation in their blog?
Oh, not that. Haven't we done that severally before?
So what do you want them to do for us?
Good. Now you listen. I want them to blackmail Mene. Listen. I want them to fabricate negative stories and post it on their blogs.
Why?
Are you asking why? Don't you get it? Eh? Can't you see what is happening? Eh? You see, I want my blogger friends to publish negative stories about him so as to discourage the villagers from associating with him. That's much. You haven't gotten it. Listen to me. If we succeed in discouraging them from associating with him, who else do you think they will associate with?
We, of course.
We. Good. And if they associate with us, what does that add up to you?
More money.
More money! See, let me tell you something. The street is military. Eh? You have to be thinking. The end justifies the means. I'm telling you.
But
more money.
It's still not sinking, really.
Hold on. That reminds me. I met with Anne's parents. Okay. Yes, I have succeeded in convincing them, suggesting to them the reason they have to discourage their daughter from associating with Mene as well. So you can see, I have succeeded in blocking all corners, left, right, center, in our favor.
That's how that works.
Obviously. It will work. You have to. I can't sit here and be coming up with good ideas, and then you sit there and be pessimistic. You have to be optimistic, okay?
Yes. You have to balance one.
Me, I met a girl and she's from Ghana. Say her name, Annabella. Oh, mommy. Me, I don't go rush, I must tell her. Say I'm a baller, she be footballer. You know she the one like a king baller. I'm a caller, my true caller. I'ma get you back past the pinball, oh girl. Well, when it down for me, girl, yeah. Well, shake your body for me, girl, yeah. See my girl, it's too bad, oh. I'm looking at the way that she whine and she move it. She's my one true love, oh. I can never replace you with another baby. With the things that you do, you got me acting like a fool. And I want to do you from the couch to the bedroom. So baby, answer. Anytime I call you, make you answer. And I want you to treat me like the master. Cause I know they got another answer. Baby, calm down, slow down. I be you won't make a fall down. Like a motor battery, then you run down. Like electric pole, I want to fall down. Say I'm a baller, she be footballer. Do she the one like a game polo. I'm a caller, my true caller. I'ma get you back past the pinball, oh girl. Well, when it down for me, girl, yeah. Well, shake your body for me, girl, yeah. See, this banger, need a dancer. Need another bad for your dancer. For the gangsters, and the bouncers. Flex up your muscle and get an answer. So we gonna light it up to the early morning till we get down. Girl, you know I need your body, I need your mommy. Come, let's get down. So call on my lady there, we gonna turn it up.
You don't have to
embarrass
you. You are the one embarrassing us here. Come, do you think we will allow you to be trained by that thing? What is it? A man or a woman?
What your father is trying to say. We wouldn't want you to be trained by irresponsible person, but be trained by a responsible person.
Exactly. Like that, my friend. Inside Foundation. What's your problem?
Yes. I like it.
Over my dead body. Will you get inside that car and let's get out? You always do this stubborn business. Get inside the car. I said,
where are you going to? And come back here.
Leave her. See, hello. Go and enter. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Leave her.
I'm looking at the way that she whine and she move it. She's my one true love, oh. I can never replace you with another baby. With the things that you do, you got me acting like a fool. And I want to do you from the couch to the bedroom. So baby, answer. Anytime I call you, make you answer. And I want you to treat me like the master. Cause I know they got another answer. Baby, calm down, slow down. I be you won't make a fall down. Like a motor battery, then you run down. Like electric pole, I want to fall down. Say I'm a baller, she be footballer. Do she the one like a game polo. I'm a caller, my true caller. I'ma get you back past the pinball, oh girl. Well, when it down for me, girl, yeah. Well, shake your body for me, girl, yeah. See, this banger, need a dancer. Need another bad for your dancer. For the gangsters, and the bouncers. Flex up your muscle and get an answer. So we gonna light it up to the early morning till we get down. Girl, you know I need your body, I need your mommy. Come, let's get down. So call on my lady there, we gonna turn it up until we shut down. So call on the mommy, papi, daddy, boss and girl, come and let us start it. Girl, she's from Ghana. Say her name, Annabelle.
Sounds him right.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
I'm coming. I'll be back. I don't know. I'm coming.
Please, you have to be fast. I don't want you to miss any of these steps.
I won't.
It's very, very important.
No problem. I'm coming.
Okay, guys. Well, guys, you guys have done an amazing job, like I must say. So I think we have to reschedule today for tomorrow. Okay? Guys, don't be offended. I can't wait to see you guys here tomorrow. Thanks for coming. Thank you, guys.
I wanna get the money, yo. Girls go call me honey, yo. And friends go cheer for me, yeah. People where they there no get too bad. So why we self no go we? I wanna get the money, yo. I wanna get the money, yeah. Girls go call me honey, yo.
Hey, sleeping handsome. Get up. It's almost time for your dance rehearsal. Hey, sleeping.
What?
Why are you still sleeping?
What am I supposed to be doing? Dance? Oh, I'm not just in the mood.
Why?
Haven't you seen what they posted about me online? How can I even go on living with such information about me online?
About you online?
Sis, please just let me be. I'm not just in the mood.
High time I address these bloggers calling out my brother Mene because of his feminine nature. I, Tilda, I am very proud of my brother because he is not afraid to express himself. You too should be proud of him. I'm also using this medium to encourage everyone listening to me right now to let go of their fears. Don't let anything or anyone hold you back and pursue your dreams because your dreams are valid. I want to say that all the assumptions and statements that were made about Mene, my brother, were made out of hearts full of hate and negativity. Mene is a good guy. He is not only talented.
This is quite true. I actually love how she's standing up for her brother. It is just so selfless. Not only her brother. It is so good to see how she's standing up for people in the village. They are really good people.
I have told you I have no business with her.
Husband, calm down. Calm down. Okay, what about Rose?
See, you still don't have business with her? Rose, I don't want to hear anything about Rose. She refused to stop seeing that boy.
She actually stopped that lesson because of the respect she had for us.
Has she?
Yes. Rose called me. She told me that she's with her. She has stopped the lesson and she's not coming back home.
But that's...
Husband, I think we should allow her to pursue her dream. Don't you think so? Yes.
You are making sense, but we need to think about it. Please, we need to think about it. Don't rush me, okay? Don't rush me.
Pursue your dreams and get the best life ever. Mene, I love you, brother.
Mene. Thank you so very much for what you posted about me online.
Don't mention my brother. Look, he deserves everything I did and said in that video. Okay? And I'm very glad that people are responding well online.
It is a good thing to respond online. and the other to respond physically.
Never to worry about that. Maybe they're already responding physically.
You think so?
Yes, I know so.
So, what are you guys saying? Line up. Your shoes off. Put it off. One side. Yes. Okay. You remember what we used to do? Like, stop doing it. So happy to see you guys. Flexibility. That's what makes you a good dancer. Go to the front. Over there. Okay. You come here. Okay. Flexibility. Okay, let me play music. So get started. You can keep doing it.
No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. Every day cannot be holiday, make it concentrate. 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 What doesn't kill you make you stronger, my brother, make you realize. Say this life what we did, so not turn by turn. Oh yeah, do your own, make I do my own. Oh yeah, hold your own, make I hold my own. Oh yeah, stop the stealing, make you stop deceiving. Double your hustle, make you know go they do. Go I step up my game and I know go relent. Work on yourself, make you know go they hate. Do your thing, make I do my thing, yeah. I say life no easy, no be my. Make you hard to no follow person for convoy. Say now the same head where you get the same head where you get. Double your hustle, no food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. Every day cannot be holiday, make it concentrate. 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 Ogbeni, calm down, make you no rush, make you calm down. You never chop, you dey from run town. Oh yeah, get up, make you move on, yeah. Ogbeni, calm down, make you no rush, make you calm down. You never chop, you dey from run town. Oh yeah, get up, make you move on, yeah. Make you move on, make you move on, yeah. Make you move on. Don't let anybody hold you down. Yeah. No food for lazy man, alaye double your hustle. No food for lazy man, alaye double.
Mene, who am I seeing? Mene, hey.
Mene, my friends, how are you? You see, I've been waiting here for a very long time because I want to see you. Welcome to the big boy group. I want to say congratulations, for winning the dance. Hold on a second, let me tell you something. You see, I have been looking at you since the first day you came to my office. When I saw your stature, I saw the way you were behaving, I knew you were a professional dancer. I knew you have potentials. But I was just trying your patience, and before I knew it, I don't know what happened, who advised you against me. But not to worry. You are a good dancer, no doubt. But it is now you need people like me to take you to the next level. You understand? It's up to you. I'm not forcing you, but I just want to let you know that I want us to be friends and I want us to work together. Man, I said I want to work with you so that I will take you to the next. I will arrest you if you don't leave. Mene, listen to me. Don't think you have arrived. See, this is
This is when you need me most, eh? So that you can move to the next level. But now listen to me, let's work together. Let's work so that you will not be stagnant.
Yes, you're here. See, I know you always love everything that has grain. At times I feel like calling you Mother Nature. With all being said, just going to go on this. Okay. Take it slow. Just gonna keep tearing it apart. I can drag it. Oh. Have it here till that goes green. What's all of this? Well, on that note, I made use of the money I won from the talent contest I entered my video for and established this foundation in your name. Because you are not just a sister, you are a pillar of support, encouragement, and hope. I just want to use this to say a very big thank you to you. You are not just a sister, but my mentor, my world. I don't know what I want to call you. Oh yeah? So I can't believe that. Yeah. That's not all. There's actually a brown Luca.
No. Mommy, this is not real. It's not real.
It's real. It's real big things behind you.
I love you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm glad you like it.
Oh my God.
A wise person once told me that it is important to look within for inspiration to live. This is because our talent will always come from within. That has always inspired me not to judge people based on how they look, but on what they can give. So, I am using this opportunity to encourage everyone to look within, rather than judge people based on their outward appearances, because everyone has something to offer.